Hey, this is Marty from Photoshop Art House. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Nano Banana Pro to quickly transform ordinary photo portraits into striking vector-style graphics composed of words that wrap naturally along the curves and contours of the face, and best of all, it's super fast. Let's get right into it. The addition of Gemini 3 into Photoshop has blown open the doors of new creative possibilities. The typographic portraits we're going to be doing today are created using two separate prompts, one to transform the photo into a high-contrast version of it, and the other to fill it with flowing text that conforms to the curves of the face. Open a photo of someone or something that you'd like to use for this project. It could be color or black and white. Select the entire image by pressing Ctrl or Command A. If you don't see the contextual taskbar, go to Window and at the bottom, click it. For the prompt, type in this text. I included it in the video's description so you can just copy and paste it into the prompt. Open the list of AI models. I did a few in-depth videos comparing them to each other, so if you'd like to watch them, I provided their links as well. Choose Gemini 3 and click Generate. It takes approximately 10 to 20 seconds to process, so I'll speed it up. As before, select the entire image by pressing Ctrl or Command A. Copy and paste this text for your second prompt. It's in my video's description as well. Just make sure you edit the text theme so your portrait is populated with words pertaining to your subject. Then click Generate. If you want to see more generations, simply click Generate in the Properties panel. Notice our entire prompt is repeated here. This is Marty from Photoshop Art House. Remember, be safe, be kind, and I'll see you next time.